Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. Unboxing time, baby! No. I gotta stop doing that. Maybe I'll just call my segment Unboxing Time, baby. Okay, picked up the Polarpro Gimbal lock. The reason why I bought this, two reasons. I lost the other one, the original one, and number two, when I put a filter on the lens, it sticks out a bit, so you can't actually use the original gimbal lock. Hopefully, and what I've read on the reviews, it's pretty good. It's tough, quite strong, but also, more importantly, is there should be enough distance or a gap between the end of the filter and the start of the actual gimbal lock. So you're able to attach this onto the drone with a filter without needing to take the filter off, which is really important. I also bought the Cinema Series Polarpro Vivid collection. So these are basically ND filters. There's a 4, an 8, and a 16, but these are also polarizers. So I'm gonna quickly whack this on and see what it looks like with the gimbal lock. There's enough distance here to have a filter and also a gimbal guard on top. The original one kind of stopped about here, so you had to actually take the filter off, put it back in the case, and then put the original lens cap thingy back on, and then the gimbal guard. So just chuck it back in, goes straight in the bag, don't have to take things off or on. So that's it, the gimbal lock by Polarpro. So far so good. Stay tuned, I'll probably do another review on it 3 months later, or not.